So question number 6, in the expansion of this, it is given that coefficient of x 4 over coefficient of x is 3. Find the possible values of constant a. So we are going to expand this. I am just writing it directly here. A over x squared power 7. So this is going to be 7c0, then x over a power 7 plus 7c1 x over a power 6, then a over x squared power 1, then plus 7c2 x over a power 5 into a over x squared power 2, right? Then plus we have I think 7c3 x over a power 4, then a over x squared power 3. Now if you see, we don't need further terms because we are just looking for x4 and x cube x coefficients. So x coefficients from, I'm just writing one more step here, 7c0, this is going to be x7 over a7 plus 7c1 then x6 over a6 into a over x squared, right? Plus 7c2 x5 over a5 and x squared over x4. I think this will solve our purpose. If you see, the coefficient of this is going to be like from here, the coefficient of this is going to give us the coefficient of x4 here, because 6 minus 2 is 4, and this is going to give us the coefficient of x. So like this is going to cancel with this, and this is going to become here this. So we are going to take only this and this term, right? So let's say I'm writing here again, so coefficient of x4 over coefficient of x is equal to, coefficient of x is here, from here we have 7c1 into 1 over a5, right? So because this is going to become 4, so we are not taking that, we are just taking the coefficient. So this will be 7 factorial over 1 factorial into 7 minus 1, that is 6 factorial into 1 over a power 5, right? So if you simplify, this is going to be 7 factorial over 7 times 6 factorial over, this is going to be 1 times 6 factorial into 1 over a power 5. So this and this is gone. So we have here it is 7 over a5, right? So this is equation 1. I'm just taking the numerator, sorry, I'm just taking coefficient of x4. So this is coefficient of x4 here. So now coefficient of x is going to be 7c2 times 1 over a power 3. So if you see here, this is going to become 1 over a power 3. So 7c2, it's going to be 7 factorial over 2 factorial, 7 minus 2 is 5 factorial into 1 over a cube. So this can be written as 7 times 6 times 5 factorial. This is 2 times 1 times 5 factorial into 1 over a cubed. This 5 and 5 is gone. 2 times 3. So this is 21 over a cubed, right? This is coefficient of x. So now we are going to divide both of them. So and this one is equal to 3. We are given this is 3. So we will have here 7 over a5 over 21 over a cubed, and this is equal to 3. So from here we will take 7a5 times a3 over 21 is equal to 3, right? So from here this is 7 times 3. So this will become a power 3 minus 5 is equal to 3 times 3, this is going to be 9, right? So this is a power minus 2 equals to 9. Then 1 over a squared is equal to 9, and then we are going to cross multiply. So a square is going to be 1 over 9. So a is plus minus 1 over 3. So that is the value of a. Okay.